Good morning. Happy World Cup Day. How's the camera looking with the orange light for New York Knicks? Doesn't look that good. But we got the New York Knicks colors. Actually, doesn't look too bad. What a game last night, huh? And you want to watch? All right, so what's going on here? Well, we're going heavy with with TPT right now. I'm gonna buy a couple more evals with TPT. I need more evals. We are switching over to friendly Ninja Trader that we don't really like that much, but we'll get used to it. We could try the opening range trade on Ninja Trader if you guys want to see that. We could test it. Should we test it on an eval? See if we have enough time to buy one. New. Okay, we'll see if it activates in time. Well, Austin, Marco, Joey, El Paso, Sean. Sean, I got the thing. I want to test it out. Fred, Cohen, Lewis, good morning, guys. Let's do it. See how long it takes to get the account on Ninja Trader to show up. Okay. It's already here. All right, so we're gonna do the opening range trade on Ninja Trader. Profit will be 35, stop loss 78. Order quantity 3. Okay. Now is that gonna work? We're gonna find out. We have time to change to a 30-second chart. Yes, please. Hopefully it works. All right. Probably not gonna. I'm not feeling good about this, but we're gonna try our best. So I need to press middle button and we'll see what comes out of this. Crosshair, crosshair, top menu. Where is that? Where is it? Where is it? F, 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 F. Oh, there you go. Thank you, thank you. We don't have the, oh, we do have the timer. Okay. See what I'm saying? How laggy Ninja Trader is? I definitely didn't mean to. do that. Oh yeah, you see how laggy NinjaTrader is, guys? And people are gonna tell me it's not. Untradable. QUANTOWER doesn't lag like that. Neither does TRADEIFY. Look how smooth this moves. Oh, we're gonna send it anyway. We're gonna see if it works. Oh god, that was absolute trash. Well, good thing that was an eval. I'm gonna try to work out of it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this after all. This lag is just absolute craze. Like, look how smooth this is moving. Look how smooth versus look how laggy this. See how laggy it is? I guess you gotta use longer time frames on NinjaTrader. Why trading on Ninja? Because I'm switching over. I want to switch over to a lot of TradeEvade accounts. Like, for example, Take Profit Trader, you get paid daily with TradeEvade. Rhythmic, you don't get paid till the next day. Like I requested payouts yesterday from Take Profit Trader, and my TRADEIFY one, or not Trade, my TradeEvade one cleared at 9 p.m. and my Rhythmic one won't get in my wallet till end of today. So it's kind of just. I don't know. I feel like Ninja's always been like this. Every time I've used Ninja, it's been like this. I thought it maybe improved, but does not seem like it. Yeah, I gotta get used to the charts. If I want to short this, we got like $800 in drawdown left on this eval. I'm on the micro. Unbelievable. Of course the trade's gonna work and I'm on the micro. Oh wait, I'm on the pro account. Unbelievable. How come I didn't? What the fuck, man? What is going? Flatten. Where did I flatten? Oh my god. I'm hedged. We're fucked. God damn it. Fucking account's gone because I fucking hedged. Stupid fucking NinjaTrader. I swear to God. I'm fucking believable. My luck this month is just crazy. fucking I hit micro and mini. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. If I went one micro short and one mini long, is that a hedge on the same account? I didn't hedge two accounts, technically. Wait, I might be okay. I didn't hedge accounts. I'm about to lose my shit right now. Oh my fucking God, this stupid Ninja Trader. I clicked close all 10 times. Of course, I was on the wrong freaking thing. I'm gonna email my my affiliate guy because I gotta email him anyway. Oh my God. Please don't. I'll be so mad. But that shouldn't be a hedge. Because I'm on the same instrument with the same one mini and one micro. That's not a hedge. That's technically being long or short 9 micros. I try to. This is the most retarded thing I've ever seen. I mean, might be good once you get used to it, but right now it's the most retarded thing ever. Oh, how did it happen with this? Hold on, I'm gonna find out. But technically, that's not a hedge. In the real life, that's not a hedge. That shouldn't be a hedge. I'll argue that. I'll argue with them about that because that's not a hedge. If you think about it a lot, use your brain, right? If you use your brain, that's not a hedge. So if they think that's a hedge, then I know they have some strict rules, but that's not a hedge. Well, that's not a good start to the day. Number one thing is I thought I was trading the eval, and I was trading the pro account, which is crazy. I made $200 on the trade. Clyde, you went on the same account? You didn't copy trade? If you copy traded, then you hedged. But if you didn't copy trade, then you didn't hedge. I only did it on one account. My blood is boiling already. Oh my God. My month is just absolutely. If they close my accounts, I'm going to have to take a break because that is literally the worst thing that I just don't understand my luck right now. No, I didn't do ORB. ORB was with that. How am I not Pro Plus? I haven't made that much money with TPT lately. Check TPT rule, no counter positions. Let's see, knowledge base, pro count. Damn, cannot hold open position in the opposite directions within the same product. Oh my God. That is one expensive mistake. I don't know what I'm gonna do if they fucking reset that. Because I reset the accounts. Tyler, this fucking piece of shit Ninja Trader made me go short with the micro and I covered with the mini. Can you believe it? All because of pressing a button. I went short with the fucking micro and I covered with the mini. How fucking retarded is this platform? Yeah, I did have micro selected here and I switched it to mini and it's my fault. It's just It's just retarded platform. If I click flatten on this, it closes the position. I clicked close all 10 times. Nothing happened. I'm fucking deleting this stupid affordable indicator thing. Is useless anyway. No, there's no other options for TRADEIFY. Tyler, how is it okay? I just lost like $6,000 potential. I have 3 pros. So that's 650 times 3. That's $1,800, $1,900, and then potentially $2,000, $3,000 in profit that I could have made. It's all gone. But yeah, I can't believe how laggy this software is. For being a industry standard, it is absolute trash how laggy it is. It sucks there's no other options besides TRADEIFY, which TRADEIFY is not laggy at all, and it's actually really good. It's just very limited. But look how laggy this is. The price is not even, the candle's not even where the price is. They're gonna close the accounts because I hedged. I went one micro short and one mini long. When I went to cover, I switched it. I clicked that for some reason. I don't know what I was thinking. It's my fault, but just user error. Just very frustrating because it would have never happened if I never fucking tried a new platform. It's just this month is just this kind of luck. Everything's just going fucking to shit. I don't know. I don't know if they closed all accounts or just the one. I don't know. Can I buy evals with Apex? Well, I'm not buying Apex for now. I'm focused on TPT only. I'm so mad. Oh my god. Oh, such a fucking rookie mistake. Of course, I blame the platform instead of myself like a dumbass, but it's my fault. Well, that's why I'm not trading with Apex for now. Until they get the live account situated, I'm not gonna trade with them for now. No, I'm just gonna get rid of this indicator. How do I do that? Well, let's run this account up. Maybe we'll get lucky. I say it's not a hedge because it's on the same. If I was copy trading accounts, then it's a hedge. So you could just reset those TBT accounts, yes. But this one's at buffer. I took out $3,000 from this account yesterday. From this account, $3,000 from it yesterday, and today's gonna be gone. I don't believe it's a hedge because it's not across accounts, and it's on the same instrument. The other TPT, yeah, I'll try to save it. That's an eval. That's what I was trying to trade, but I don't even know what the chart's doing. I can't even look at this chart. I gotta look at this chart. Okay. Yeah, they said it potentially could be. They say it's automated trade surveillance. So if it gets picked up by the automation, then it's gonna get disabled. Oh my God. We can't trade this pro account because that's not gonna clear to the end of the day. This is the only account I have that's I have yet to come across a platform that does not ban consistently profitable traders. Take profit trader. That's all you need. Sanjeep. All you need is take profit trader. Don't trade with anyone else. What's the issue with those accounts in QuantTower? They don't clear the payouts till end of today. So I requested last night. It's not gonna clear till end of today, so I can't trade that account. I'm not risking the money. Trade of 8 clears right away within a couple hours. So that's the main difference. Because I like to have all my accounts together for streaming purposes. Trading on TradeAway is very I don't know the term for it. Not stupid, but very silly because you can't show all your accounts on TradeAway when you're streaming. So when people like, if I don't have my accounts open, the first thing people ask, where are all your accounts? How come I don't see your P&L? So on TradeAway, you can't do that. For personal trading, it doesn't matter. But for streaming purposes, there's no way to show all your accounts on TradeAway. So you have to use NinjaTrader if you want to do it transparently. So that's the reason. That's incorrect. Yes, you can. How? Oh, I didn't. Back in the day, you couldn't. How can you do it? It has the same account. Yeah, but if I'm on TradeAway with NinjaTrader, if I'm on TradeAway with Take Profit Trader, QuantTower, um, what I'm saying is like I could see all my accounts with different prop firms. You can't do that on. You hit the plus button on the top left and select accounts. So I could show my Take Profit Trader and my Lucid accounts and my TRADEIFY accounts at the same time. You can't. That's what I mean. That's the main reason. Otherwise I don't really mind TradeAway. Plus TradeAway mobile is pretty sweet. I actually do like TradeAway mobile. Patel, where did you get a minute from? Where did you get a minute from? You can hold your trade for 0.0001 second and make $1 million and they'll pay you as long as you're on the live account. I'm gonna go get my Red Bull because we need to we need to refocus. It's World Cup day and I don't have much time. Like take profit traders should do like a flag system and like remove the profits the first time that happens. Like first warning, remove profit. It's just one of these months, guys. As long as one of the pros gets disabled, I'll live with that. But if all three get disabled, I'll be pissed. If it's for showing purposes, you could have multiple tabs and OBS on each tab. That would be way too much work. Is that from Hot Bagel? No. Eating a sesame bagel with butter. I'm not even focused now. It's pretty bad. It's already 10 o'clock and I didn't take any trades. Have I crashed a skid steer? I hit a tree stump so bad. I got whiplash, so my neck is killing me. Have I ever thought about opening my own prop? Hell no. I don't have that kind of money. Especially nowadays in this state of industry, there's not a lot of potential for props. New props definitely struggle more than old ones. Yeah, not only do you have competition with different prop firms, but you also have competition with good traders. So if you want to compete with other prop firms, you got to make better rules and better program. And then if you make a better program, you're going to get taken advantage of really early on and you're screwed. So and unfortunately, all the prop firms that close down, they also put a bad spell on new prop firms because people don't want to use them. They don't trust them. Alpine, where are all your accounts? Did you not hear that the World Cup is starting today? I sent them to the World Cup. So they're in Mexico, getting ready for the World Cup opener. They were doing really well for 5 months, so I figured give them a little break. I told them, you know what? You guys have worked really, really hard. It's a bagel. It's a bagel, and New Jersey and New York is famous for bagels. So, like, our bagels are different than pretty much the rest of the country. Mhm. Come on, market, move. We got to make some trades. Delete all the lines. Yeah, Spurs choked. Well, that was a crazy game. Spurs are a very young, inexperienced team, so they're making very bad mistakes. Okay, big drop. 100-point drop right here. Wow. Come on. Trailing drawdown, so we got to be careful. Okay, 730 on that. I'll take that. Damn nice. Get the horizontal line following the pricing and you'll see no lagging. On NinjaTrader, how we do that? Do you know what that is? Kind of. Okay, thank you. I'll try to take a look. She's still dropping. Opening range high is 780. Come on, a little bit more. I'd love to see it flush to 780. But it's not going. Come on. Not looking for much, just a little bit. Okay, we'll take that. It's 1455. Crazy volatility, you guys. Damn, she keeps on dropping. But yeah, basically I reset these accounts. So I took out like $4,000 yesterday in payouts, but I'm not counting those payouts. Until I have 5 accounts over buffer, I'm not counting any payouts because those are reset fees. Just so you guys know. Come on, just give me a nice 20-point pop. Okay, we're at buffer now. Damn, now she goes. Damn, 780 was perfect after all. But with this momentum to the downside, I didn't want to buy it. Buy it till I saw that it's holding. But okay, so we're at buffer, so I need trade next as a payout. TRADEIFY is good. They have a good sale right now too. If I could get like, for now, I just want to get the money back for this account on this. So if I could make like $700, $800, then I'll reset one more, and that's what I'm gonna keep doing. I'm just gonna play the reset game for now. It's not good. Don't recommend it to anyone, especially if you don't have payouts. Remember, I have payouts, and I could afford it. I took out already. Thing is, like, the 20% adds up when it's a bigger payout. Like, you don't realize it. But I already took out 1168. I already took out like $4,600 after split. So divided by 650, that's 7 accounts I could reset. So hopefully I could keep going and be net positive on the resets, and then just start fresh once I have 5 accounts. Then I'm gonna start counting the payouts and everything. A big bounce again. Like to long this, but I'm kind of scared. Yeah, I should have longed it. Damn it. That was it right there. What trading software you recently installed on NinjaTrader? No, I didn't pay for anything. You mean the chart trader? I still think we're gonna flush the open price, but Trev, I mean, it doesn't matter what we're gonna do in an hour. I care what we're gonna do in the next 5 minutes, right? So I don't really care if we go down or up overall. I just care what we're gonna do in the next few minutes. And that was a good bounce right there. This could definitely go right back down. This is the candle I needed though, like an instant win. That's how I made 5 point. Look how much money I made yesterday. Did I not? I don't think I have a picture of it. Yeah, I don't have a picture of it, but it was 5.2K on one account. I want to be aggressive on these. Like, that's where the big money comes in. But the chart trader I have for NinjaTrader is from Affordable Indicators, and I got it for free because of being a YouTuber, but it's pretty expensive. I don't even know what the opening price is. I don't have the opening price on my my chart. Damn, what a son of a gun. What a bounce here. If you guys hit the like button, we will do a giveaway for Apex today. But we gotta hit some likes. I don't have any more TPT accounts to give away this month, unfortunately. All of them have been given away. I gave out like 4 to friends. And I used a couple myself. So but we got some Apex codes. But Take Profit Trader is back to 40% off. So it's actually pretty good. I gotta work on evals as well though. I'm gonna try to be funded with 5 TPTs and work on evals at the same time. Could be life-changing money. Like, it's crazy how TPT, once you get over the buffer, it could really be, just got to be aggressive, especially on days you're trading well. Like, there's some days where you're just trading so well and we just stop trading because we have made enough money, and then it's like, well, we're not taking full advantage of the opportunity. And in days that we suck at trading, we overtrade. That's a very common mistake. There's days that we just can't feel out the pulse and we go for it. Oh, yesterday, for example, like, of course I didn't hold when I should have. Where the hell is it? Here. Like, of course, I don't hold. Take a 20-point scalp and it just goes. Could have been a $10,000 day yesterday. That was 3 minis. That could have been a $10,000 day on one account. Think, how much money have you taken out from Take Profit? That's awesome. I know some people got it without taking out a lot, and some people got it for taking out too much. So we can't find a middle ground. It's based on the score, but my score is not good on TBT. There you go. $925 payout. So that covers the cost of this account. 740. All right, we could reset another one. That's what I'm doing, just so you guys know. Don't do that. Don't do what I'm doing. But that's what sucks. Like, these payouts will not clear till end of tomorrow. Like, end of tomorrow. So I can't even trade them tomorrow. That's why I want to have my TRADEIFY accounts. And also, the trick with this is going to be 25K accounts. Cheapest to reset. And you could grow your own cushion. That's the key. Like, leaving more than 2,000 in the balance would be good. No, I think 150K is easier to get payouts, but 150K, the eval's tough, and obviously with the resets are way too expensive. But I think the 150K is actually easier because you have so much more drawdown. So any trade here could kill my account versus on the 150K, you have some breathing room. Oh man, I still can't believe what happened this morning. I'm praying to God doesn't get caught because it was pretty quick. It was on the same account. I didn't copy trade. Well, I'm gonna go lower my AC. It's freezing in here. I have to open a window, get some warm air. Oh man, I just need to get over this freaking unlucky streak. Like I want to push this, but I'm not going to until we get the next account. They moved you after $500. That's crazy. I really don't understand how it works. Because how can you be moved to live when you haven't really made any money? Oh. Okay, we should have another account. We also trade bull knocks. But for now, we're just going to keep trading take profit trader. I don't really need any other prop firms at the moment. Like if you have take profit trader, you really don't need any other prop firm. Depends how much money you want to make, but also I want to show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. Bum, bum, bum. If I can find it. There it is. I am going to reach out about this car. It's got everything I want. I don't like the wheels, but obviously I would put the wheels I have on. It looks white, but it's not. It's gray. Got the Burmeister sound system, which is better than Bose. It has front lift. It's got vented seats. It's a 4S, not a GTS, but it's got everything. And the biggest thing is it got, see how this is painted? That's how my car is. And I hate when that's not painted. It's 193,000. So if I could sell my car, both my cars for like 160,000, then I'll get this. It would cost me 30,000 to upgrade. I mean, I don't know if it's an upgrade. It could be a downgrade for some people. But it's something I want. I love the convertible. So I'll be reaching out. There's another one closer. I'm going to go take a look at that one. Pretty much like outside, it's pretty much the same. But it's different. Like the rear bumper is different. See, like this is plastic. Like look at, I know you guys don't notice the difference, but I'm crazy. And this bumper is different than this one. This is sport design package. This is not, and this is painted. This is not. So little differences like that. And plus the interior here is much more basic. And it probably doesn't even have a front lift. Oh, and it's got a license plate on the front. Are they out of their mind? No one's gonna buy that car if they don't patch the holes. Let's see. Does it have a front lift? You can't even tell. But yeah, the other one is a perfect spec. Versus this is not. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got a donation. Chat giveaway on me today. Had 30K day on TRADEIFY. Got to support the two goats, Alpine and Nutty. Let's go, Golf Guy Mike. I wish you lots of birdies this weekend if you play. And 30K day on TRADEIFY. How do you do that? What's the allocation time these days for a build? With the Targas, it's hard to get target allocation at MSRP. And I don't like the new ones. Might potentially buy a GT3. Want to see it? Hell yeah. Email me. New Jersey needs front plates. Oh, come on. Don't be... Joey, and you were asking me if I'm going to get a New Balance shoes with my Corvette. I don't have a front plate. I don't have an inspection sticker. And I have tinted windows. And I've not been pulled over one time in 8 years. July 4th, 2018 is when I got my first Porsche. So 8 years ago. Still have it. Still love that car. Still looks great. And I could probably get $25,000 for it now. So it's not worth much. For $25,000, someone's going to have a car and a half. No, cops don't care. If you don't drive like an asshole, they don't care. They'll pull you over for not having a front plate when they see you driving like a idiot. But thank you so much, Golf Guy Mike. Appreciate that. You don't have to do that, but congrats on your great day. But how did you make 30,000 on TRADEIFY? How's that work? We might have to pull out Golfy from the closet today. I'm using the newest version of NinjaTrader. All right. Should we go for it, chat? Let's make sure we trade the right account. Don't make any mistakes. See if this breaks down. Well, Sacred, I can't blame NinjaTrader. It's more like a rookie mistake what I did say, and affordable indicators were at fault. Okay, I reached out to the dealer. The car is available. Ooh, I like this. I like this 780 bounce. I only got one contract. Come on, let's get it. Let's get like 840 or something. 25 points. Nah, not going. Could still do it though. There's no consistency on the select, I'm assuming. Yeah, it looks like she wants to flush. Come on, 680. But no, it's still not. Come on, go. Can't get it to pop. All right, this one's not going to survive. Had it, just not quick enough to take profit. Come on, give me a chance. Trailing drawdown is really killing me right now because I was up a lot. I was up like $700, right? $800. That's crazy. That was $800 profit right there. I didn't have a chance to take it. Oh well. That's why we play this safe one at a time. That was a great trade. I just couldn't take a profit in time. No, they don't let you know right away. Of course, it's gonna be bottom tick stop. That's unfortunate. Just couldn't take that profit fast enough, you know, because it didn't give me a chance. So disappointed in that because that was a good opportunity right there. was a good opportunity to get out break even. That's what happens when you go counter trend, counter when you go counter momentum. See how it quickly spiked up and then just dumped. You know, there's just no way for me to get out. Now I kind of want to trade them on TRADEIFY because maybe we'll be okay. Maybe we'll be okay. I want to just trade that just to. This is a eval. So let's take that. Got $800 in drawdown left, so let's see if we can get a pop. No, okay. So momentum is it's a downside, and we gotta figure out a way to just be patient here. 650 is coming. I've never been in a situation RM, so I have no idea. Well, we're gonna get these lows much faster than I thought. Just in case. But this might just flush these lows, no? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not using any extra chart trading software. PHC, if you want to be more specific, the one I had earlier from Affordable Indicators. You mean? Yeah, that was Affordable Indicators. Pretty expensive. Sure, you could get cheaper ones, especially now with AI. Wow. Especially now with AI, you could probably affordable. Yeah, I don't know why it's called affordable. That's actually a pretty bad name for the company. Big drop. Hold on, guys. I need to see this chart as well. Like I see price so much better on QUANTOWER for some reason. Just used to it more. Now let's see if it's gonna hold this low. Damn. Yeah, weakness right now. If it doesn't make any lows here, I might buy long here. Why is my quantity set to 4? I've screwed myself. Yeah, this is weak. Gotta wait for a nice V shape. Not rush it. So the biggest problem is like when I trade the car in, they gotta see it. So like, how do I do that? Is this the bounce? What do you guys think? What? How is this changed by itself, guys? What am I doing wrong? 12? Wow, we missed it. And we missed the trade. Oh my goodness. Such the luck with Ninja Trader has been absolute. That would have been over $1,000. Well, this is the account that could be closed, so we'll see. I'm not counting this. How does the daily payout work with TBT? It's very simple. Anything over buffer, you get to request every day. The only thing is on right now on Rhythmic, it's slower. So like I requested a payout at like 8 p.m. yesterday for 2 accounts. One was TRADEIFY, one was Rhythmic. The TRADEIFY one, I got the money in my wallet and TBT at a little bit after 9 p.m. Versus Rhythmic, I will not get till about 2 to 4 p.m. today, Eastern time. Then the money goes to your wallet on your TPT, and then you request a payout from the wallet. So I take the money out of the wallet once a month. You need 50 cents to pass the TPT. I think if you do 5 contracts, 5 minis for a tick, you might be good. How hard can it be? One second, guys. I'm trying to send a picture of my car to a dealer, and I can't find a picture of the original without the wheels. I mean, it would be pretty sad to get rid of my car because it's the car I built myself. But like, I don't drive it as much because it's not convertible. And now that I play golf, I don't even think about going to a track. And it's so expensive. I always forget to take garbage out. I hear them outside. How much are flights to Georgia? Is there any World Cup games in Georgia? Because definitely can't fly in during that time. Yeah, I could drive to Georgia actually. It's only 13 hours. Make a road trip out of it. Big bounce, huh? I'm texting the dealer. I don't know if I should do it. Maybe I should just keep trading and buy myself a McLaren or an R8 or Lambo. I could get a Lambo for like 175,000. Well, then having two cars, the 911 would never get driven, so it's like waste of money. Because I would buy like the most depreciated car I could find, convertible, so that way you don't lose a lot. Damn, she's still going. I want to buy more. Yeah, I remember that. 80 to 100 point candles during tariffs. I remember that. March 2025. Crazy time. I feel like it's similar now. The hardest part is going to be getting used to like 150 point daily range. I think that's going to be the hardest thing to get used to. That's why I want to take advantage of this. No, hold on. I hear a truck outside. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's street cleaning. The garbage people. Tempted to long this because it's freaking going. Reshaping. Need to pull back. I have $900 in this account. If I could, I'll try to get this over 1,000, and then we'll see if they close this account or not. If they don't close this account, that would be amazing because that would be a $2,000 payout today, which pays for a couple more resets. All right, $1,000. All right, so we're gonna call it there. Oh, Cuban coffee. So earlier I was using a new indicator thing. So I was using this. I know what I did now, but basically I did the opening range trade here on this, right? On this on the eval on this panel. I selected the account and I did it. Then here on this, you could switch between mini and micro. It's pretty wild that you could do that. So you could switch between mini and micro, and what a rip. But the account, right, was selected to pro. So what I did was I was on micro and I went short thinking I'm on the eval. Number one, I thought I was on the eval. Two, I didn't know I was on micro. I get into the trade. I see the P&L barely moving. So I was like, damn it. Then I realized I'm on the, okay, so here's the full story. I was in micro, I went short. Then I realized I was on an, well, no, I didn't realize yet. Then I realized that I was on the micro, right? So I went short. I was on the micro, not a mini. So I switched to mini. And then when I did that, I after realized I was on a pro account and not on a eval account. So I panicked and I went to close the trade. And I went to close the trade and I was on the mini. So I went long a mini. So I was short a micro and I went long a mini. So technically that could be a hedge, even though it's not. In real market, that would not be a hedge because you're trading the same instrument and you're just decreasing the size that you have. But in the eyes of take profit trader, they could see micros and minis as two different instruments because technically they are slightly different, and that could be a problem. So we'll see. I hope not. I didn't copy trade accounts, so if they don't catch it, I'll be forever grateful. Because if you hedge across different accounts, that's different. But if you just do on the same account, that's not technically a hedge. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm not gonna count. I hate that you have to change it on every single account. So I'm not gonna count this as a payout yet, but hopefully, I'm not gonna use this chart trader. It's absolutely useless, actually. I don't know why I even got it. I thought it was gonna be. This is way cleaner. And I could change the colors of this, I believe. Buy button. Sell button red. Dark. Okay. Easy. There's a way to move this down by any chance. Yep, Black Magic. I'm going to my friend's a florist, and he has a lot of Mexicans. Not being racist or anything. Mexicans are absolutely goated when it comes to landscaping and anything that has to do with uh, flowers and stuff. So he has a lot of Mexicans, and they're super busy because it's June. So they're having a watch party on his headquarters, his warehouse. So I'm going over there. And Mexico's playing, so that's why it's cool. Because they're actually going to care. Because it was like random game, then whatever, but it's Mexico playing, so. Mexico fans are wild. Some people find Mexicans, when you say Mexican, it's like offensive. I'm like, what? They're proud to be Mexican. Man, I had Mexicans work on my yard. Um, they did my sprinklers and they prepped my topsoil before sod. Great bunch of people. Super hardworking, always laughing. You know, the crazy thing is it was super hot out. They're working and they're laughing. They're having a good time. No one's yelling. No one's cursing. No one's complaining. They're all having a great time. And I brought some beers. We had some Modelo's. It was a great time. You give them a tip, they appreciate it. You know, same thing with I had trees. So I had trees that fell, like big branches, and I had one tree company come and remove them, American company. And this guy's always like, "Oh, well, these branches are big. It's like basically a full tree, and it's gonna be a lot of work." And the whole time they were here, they were just nonstop complaining how much work this is, blah blah blah. And then when I had my main trees cut, I cut like 8 pine trees. It was Spanish grew. This guy's climbing the trees, laughing. Tree almost falls on them. They're laughing. It's just like such a different mentality. I feel like Europeans and Latin Americans are just different. When it comes to hard work, they're just different. And they have good food, yeah. So now what do we do, chat? Do we reset one more TPT account, or is that might be it for today? I think we're good for today. One a day blown is enough. Plus, let's do a giveaway, and we're gonna have a beer. How about that? We're gonna have a pre-World Cup beer to celebrate the Knicks win, but the giveaway is gonna be for Apex. We'll do 2 accounts. 5 o'clock somewhere. Oh, Stella. St. Louis, Missouri. Proud sponsor of the World Cup. That's why we're drinking it. See? We're supporting the World Cup. I'm actually excited to trade again. I don't know. I was kind of bummed out last few days. Kind of still tempted to trade more. Kind of want to actually, you know what? We have a Bull Knox account we could trade. Let's try and make some money in Bull Knox. I think Bull Knox might have extended the sale, so I might buy more. I don't know. QUANTOWER just so light, so smooth. Ninja, I don't know. Ninja is definitely a little lacking with certain things. QUANTOWER is not perfect, but well, cheers. Still kind of undecided where we're going. Yeah, I think Mexico should win. Is that Estella? Yes, it is. Doesn't taste as good as it does outside, but I'm gonna go outside in a little bit. Still gotta finish cleaning up so they could pick up the dumpster. A lot of work was done last week. Why not QUANTOWER Trade Syncer? I'm not looking to copy trade any accounts at the moment. I'm not worried about copy trading. Sorry for your eardrums. All right, should we do a giveaway or wait? You know what? We could do a giveaway now because we're gonna do 2 accounts, so we'll do one now and then do a second one in a few minutes. I think we're going for highs. All right, so if you're in, you are in. This is first of 2 giveaways. Good luck, everyone. Apex.
Hello, hello, hello. Let's go racing. We got 166 horses. 1 winner. Let's see who's going to be. Who is it going to be today? Oh, look at Todd. Todd's going for it. He's wearing his Alpine hat. Cuban coffee trader Travis in the lead. Miss K. She said no. All right. Halfway down. 1 minute to go. You gotta spank that horse. Not too hard. Not too hard. No animal abuse. Profits and TPs. In the lead for a few seconds, Mighty Mouse. Moto Timo flying. Final 20 seconds. TMX chop. Chop, chop, chop. Choppered. Oh my god, is it going to be Todd? Is Todd going to win? No, he cannot hold on, or can he? Can Todd do it? Come on, Todd! Oh, it's so close. Mahi Tech wins the race. I was rooting for Todd. Damn it. Oh well. Better luck next time. Alright. Mahi Tech, you are the winner of a Apex evaluation, any size. So you could send Alpine an email, and I'll see you guys in probably 7 minutes or so for a second race. See ya.
If you already entered the race, you'll be in it. So you don't have to enter a second time. Oh man. Did you win Apex? Yes, you did. Um, yeah, we still gotta do a third giveaway for $100, but that's gonna be a special giveaway. That's not gonna be for everyone. That's gonna be for subscribers. I would say, I think 2 months. 2 months would be fair. I don't have money to pay activation, so you could give it to Miss K. Well, you could use it to practice. Mahi, so you don't trade? How are we doing today? We don't know yet. If we didn't hedge or didn't get in trouble for having a long micro and a short mini for a few seconds on the same account, then we have a $2,000 payday. Mahi, how about this? Once you activate the account, send me a screenshot of what account it is. And then if you do pass it, I'll pay for your activation. I'll send you PayPal. All right. Someone's calling me. I don't know if it's a dealer. I doubt it. That was the dealer, actually. Oh, so we'll see. What did I miss? Is that beer? Yes, it's World Cup. So we're celebrating by drinking the sponsor of the World Cup, which is Estella. I'm done trading for the day pretty much. So we're just doing a giveaway. We got 2 more giveaways to do. So we just did one. We're going to do 2 more. One more for Apex and one for $100 Venmo or PayPal. That is thanks to Golf Guy Mike. Mexico 3, South Africa 1. South Africa's not bad. Yeah, we got to do a giveaway soon because I got to go. Day's going to fly by. Got your email, Mahi. You're from South Africa? Nice. There's a couple of people from South Africa here, actually. Um, can't remember the name. I think Shah. He was from South Africa. Because he always talks about how golf over there, you always got to walk and stuff. No golf carts. Okay, second giveaway in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. The market's slowing down. The market's getting ready for the World Cup. So, very small range today. Well, relatively speaking, the range itself is pretty big. 500 points. But in grand scheme of things, you zoom out, pretty small range. So it's always relative to the past. Tom, how we doing, Tom? Okay, so in 1 minute, we're doing a giveaway for another Apex account, and then at 12 o'clock, we'll be doing a giveaway for $100, and that's gonna be it for the day, as we have to get ready. I'm going for the World Cup game somewhere, and still want to do some stuff in the backyard. The market's slow today. I would like to trade more, but it's slow and I don't want to risk the payouts. I would like to, get more than a $2,000 payout, but I think anything over 1,000 is a great day. The main reason why I'm not taking more trades is because it's how slow it is right now. We've been used to crazy whips. I did take a long I was on the Ninja Trader account. I did take a long somewhere here. Would have been nice to hold, but $1,000 is $1,000. It's gonna be like $800 after fees. The fees add up. It's crazy. Like yesterday, I spent $850 on fees. But as Akala says, it's fake money, so it doesn't matter. Apex Live? No. I have not heard any updates. All right. Let's rerun the race. All the names. We should do something different where for the $100, it's like top 50 from this race. Any prop ban me yet? No. The only prop that could ban me is Apex. Like the live ban. Everything else, I haven't really made enough lately. Because my second best prop from ever is Bullnox. So they haven't moved me live. And then Take Profit Traders number 3. They moved me live, but now I'm not live anymore after the medals. I went live with Phidias. I went live. Actually, Elite Trader Funding banned me. Forgot about that. But that doesn't really count. Yeah, Elite Trader Funding banned me. Phidias. I'm live with Phidias. And then Trade Day, I haven't. But Trade Day is coming. But Trade Day, did they change? Or was it always like that? Trade Day is now intraday trailing on the funded accounts. Even when you select end of day accounts. Is this a recent change or has this always been like that? Where the Apex accounts? They're at the World Cup game in Mexico. They're on vacation. But will they come back? I don't think so, because I think they said they love Mexico so much that they're just going to stay there. Am I still trading today? No. Unless something would happen really crazy right now. I'll take a trade on my bull knocks, but yeah, Guarani, I was about to buy one today and I saw that. I was like, whoa. But quick pay there is end of day, but in funded it's intraday. That's what I mean. Like quick pay is the one that we want. It's daily payouts. That's for quick pay accounts, but that's what trade day is about. It's about daily payouts. It's always been like daily payouts. So silly. I mean, I'm used to trailing, so it's not the end of the world, but I'm not going to pay extra for end of day on an eval when it's going to go, like, then the eval is only $67. That's not bad. I'm actually going to do a bunch of evals with them. All right, we got to do a giveaway, guys. We got to do a giveaway. Giveaway time. 242 names. All right. All right, guys. So now, okay, so this next giveaway, everyone listen up. Everyone refresh, make sure you're live. This next $100 giveaway, you have time to enter until we finish the next race. Starting now. You only have a couple minutes to enter. We're doing this race for Apex, and then after that, we're doing $100 giveaway, and you only have 2 minutes to enter that. All right. So
Here we go. After this one, we'll be giving away $100. Alpine said. He said he might have to take it out of my pay and then give it back to me once YouTube pays him. Thank you for the donation from Golf Guy Mike. All right. Here we are racing for Apex. Ooh, the horses are lagging. Too many horses. Speedrunner, perfect name. Horse 42 in the lead. Look at Todd. Todd is not giving up. He said, no, I almost won the last race. I'm going to try it again. And then Miske. Strange. Miske and Todd. Always in the lead. Halfway down. Who is it going to be? Yeah, premature, Miss K. Premature. Too fast. Too soon. Gotta pace yourself. All right, Roshan. Jack. Jack, look at Jack go. Jeez. Oh, Miss K. She's back. She is back. Can she hold on, or is Hannah gonna take it? Miss K. Can she do it? Can she hold on? Oh, no. Just not there. Not quite there. Ilyas. Ilyas. Congratulations to you. And now we're doing $100 giveaway. I am gonna kill Alpine. He did not start the giveaway. Oh my goodness. Now you could enter. Alpine didn't start it. Oh my god. He sucks. Now I gotta wait. We're gonna hold on. No sound? There's sound. We just gotta have to talk to make sound. All right. So I want to make this quick. Tired. I've been in the closet for like a week. Alpine was in a bad mood and he would not let me work. He still paid me though, but he wouldn't let me out of the closet. He locks me in there and does not let me play. And Miss K misses me. All right, 12:08. We're doing the giveaway. 12:08. So 30 seconds. Damn, 200 people entered already? What are you guys doing? There's not even 200 people watching. You guys are cheating. How is this possible? So many bots. Do all you guys have 2 YouTube channels that you use for giveaways? Alrighty. Good luck. Closing it. If you didn't enter, too bad. Too bad. We already have 200. That's way more than before. What the heck? $209 cars. Is Golf Guy Mike even in here? This is sponsored by Golf Guy Mike. He had an amazing day and he donated $100. So we're giving it back to you guys. Moto Timo, yes. People are crazy. They do anything for $100. Dun 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 dun. You know what? If you win in a 911, we'll do $150. $150 if you have a Porsche 911 and you win. Alrighty. $100. We haven't done a giveaway for money in a long time. You must have Venmo or PayPal. Otherwise, you can't claim the prize. $206 cars and 130 people watching. I will not be asking more questions, but that is weird. At least be nice and keep 2 browsers open so we have 200 viewers. Like, keep both open. Don't just log in and log out. Alright, anyway, 1 minute to go. Oh, we got a Porsche down below. Oh, I think he just blew a tire. Fast Trader also in the 911. Rich in the 911. 45 seconds. $100. Ooh, Todd. Todd is in a gold 911. JRC in the 911. Lots of 911s up front. If I was Alpine, I would be nervous. He might be giving away $150. Hey, I'm not the one paying, so I hope it is a 911. Alright, that turbo has been hit. The boost button. They've all been spanking their horses. They forgot how to use boost. Alright. Jillian Crypto in an Audi R8. Are you present? If I mispronounced your name, I apologize, but I don't know how to say Gillian. It's like an alien, but with a G. Jillian? I say Gillian. I've never seen that name in the chat either, actually. We're gonna check. We're gonna test you. We are going to test. Maybe that's what we're gonna do for future giveaways. Next time we have a giveaway for money, and you've never said anything in the chat, you can't win. That's going to be the rules. I know some people don't chat, but come on now. All right, at least say hello, you know? I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. I'll let Alpine take over.
Yeah, next time we're gonna do you have to like be active in chat. At least say hi, you know. But yes, you could send me an email with your Venmo or your PayPal. Send me your email, and in that email, include your Venmo or PayPal. And we're about to make new highs, and Joey's saying, told you to take that trade. All right, guys, I'm gonna hold the bot saying hi for next giveaway. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. It's 12:15. Enjoy the World Cup if you're gonna watch, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. And pray that we don't lose our TPT account. Pray, pray, pray. All right, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and congrats to all the winners. See ya.